Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to meet a winning team whose journey began with a deep understanding of the complexities surrounding automation in our rapidly evolving society. Faced with the task of streamlining processes, optimizing resources, and enhancing overall efficiency, they embarked on a journey to harness the power of innovation for the greater good. Let's meet Praveen and his team. Welcome, Praveen. And to begin with, let's get to know more about you. Please introduce yourself.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Praveen Kushwaha from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Our team name is Team Swasthya Sahayak and our team comprises of Sneha Bansal, Shaurya, Amit Verma, Aniket Mishra and Aman Kumar Singh.
I am Sneha Bansal, working as a UI UX designer.
And my name is Shaurya and working as a front-end developer.
Great, guys. It's very good to have you here. And to begin with, let's try to understand what the problem is that you're trying to solve here. So, what is that you worked upon?
Basically, our problem statement code is SIH1458, which is an AI-based designing of an assistive portal for stakeholders in approval process.
What exactly are you trying to do here?
So the AICTE portal was to improve the technical education constitutions of India. So here we have created a portal which improvises the approval process for the institutions to collaborate with the AICTE. So there were many problems as the AICTE has a handbook which was of very great length, approx 400 pages. So our website has done the minimizations and fetched the documents from that handbook and presented it so that the institutions can easily locate the documents which are required for the approval process.
So from a large document, you basically are pinpointing the needed portions to the person who wishes to gather information. So it's kind of cherry picking from the vast data that is already there on the website. Okay, so how did you go about doing this? Like, how did this work? What exactly is behind getting this done?
So we basically implemented a ML model which is trained by using that PDF. The ML model only pick the relevant data which is required for the institution, and when user inputted that I have to do the affiliation for XYZ course, that model search the relevant data from that PDF and present it to the user so that the all relevant data from the PDF are removed from accessing.
So basically what ChatGPT does for the web,
Right.
your solution does it for the AICTE processes,
Yes,
basically,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So can we get to know how does it exactly work?
It exactly works. So it basically the ML model it uses LangChain to gather the data from the user. When user input a prompt, that prompt is basically searched in the PDF, and from PDF basically two to three answers are received from the bot, and from that bot that answer was sent to the Palm AI. Palm AI summarizes that answer and give the exact information what user is asking. So basically we integrated AI also to get the exact data from him.
Okay, so is there any kind of a platform that one is supposed to access? How do I make use of this?
So we basically made a website integrated and chatbot is integrated in that website only, and we have added 2-3 functionalities more apart from chatbot. So we have a website hosted, so we can.
So can you please explain how do I basically use this website, and how can I access all that information as per your innovation, of course?
So basically for accessing our portal, we just need basically if a new user is login, means new institute. So means if new user is name is AKGC and email will be Sneha.
211
So basically user the institute have to fill all the details for accessing our portal. So after accessing our portal, he have to log in the portal. So basically if we have login, after inputting the relevant data, the website is redirected to the main dashboard. This is our dashboard of our website where user can interact with our website. So navbar consists of home, chat AI, where chatbot is integrated, doc trial. It is our future scope. It is our future scope where user can see if his document is valid or not, or so the chance of rejection of his documents is very less. And enquiries if he want to talk to the user. Okay. So basically there are three cards. Enquiry form. Here user have to fill all the details of the institution, like name of the institution, type of the institution, is his application rejected last year or not. After inputting all this data, he response will page will be generated where he get to know what are the process to get that affiliation, what are the fees, what are the documents that he needs to for approval process. And second is our chat AI. Chat AI basically consists of a chat bot where user can interact with a chat model for getting the information from the PDF, relevant data from the PDF. And last it is our future scope where he have to upload his doc. After uploading a doc, Aadhaar, like if he uploaded the Aadhaar card, all the details of Aadhaar card will be fetched from that, and it will auto inputted in the form like annexure 1 or whatever form he needs, so that the chance of rejection is very less. Here is a FAQs where basically questions are implemented, and it is a footer. Only this much is a for accessing on portal.
Okay, so as an institution, if I have to interact with the ICT or somehow get in touch with the ICT for a specific issue or a reason, so I can use this particular portal.
Yes.
And my conversation or my whatever requirement is can be fulfilled through this particular application. You want to say? Okay, so apart from this, what else can this application do?
This application else basically we have to implement a assistive portal. So apart from assistive portal, we also user can get information regarding his application status. For that we need an integration with AICT website where he can check whether his approval process, stages of approval process, that how much time does it takes to approve all that. And doc trial, it is our future scope where he can upload the documents of the annexure or whatever documents which is required, and he can see whether it is valid or not, whether it is accepted by the AICT or not. If we have a prior knowledge that our document is getting rejected, there is a very less chance to get our application rejected. So doc trial is our future scope.
So yes, as we spoke in the beginning, the approval process, the handbook which has been designated for that is pretty large and very exhaustive information is there, and you have kind of condensed all that information, keeping in mind the need of that particular person who is, or the institution who wishes to ask a specific query. So that is basically what you have done, and I'm sure that is really going to help all the institutions and the people who are using this facility. So what impact do you think will be there, or how much different will be my life if I'm using this portal vis-a-vis what I was using prior to this application while interacting with the ICT?
So basically, the main impact of this, the major impact is time, and we know what time is. Time is everything. So basically, our portal will save a lot of time. As we know, the approval process handbook is very complex and it's a very long document. If a user or an institute visits our website, and he will put his relevant information there, and in response he will get the all the relevant documents only, and in a simplified format. Basically, we streamline the whole process of the approval process, and it will save a lot of time, and also other features which will save the rejection chances. It will reduce the rejection chances of the approval process, and our major impact is time.
Right. So as an institution, I'm gonna save a lot of time. Plus, the processes or the conversation of mine with the ICT will be far less complex and to be
Yes.
like very streamlined one. Great. I think that's gonna be very useful for all the institutions. So now coming back to the implementation part of it. So how soon can we expect this to get implemented?
So basically the ML model which we use is not a generative AI. So for generating a generative AI, it is a very complex process. For that it needs a time, and we need some improvisation, as we have developed it in 36 hours only. So it needs some improvisations also, and the main part is hosting of the ML model, which will take, I think, cost and time also. So I think it will take around 5 to 6 months for creating a generative AI, which will simplify the process and give the relevant data to the user.
Okay, great. So the solution that you come up is really wonderful. Concentration of information and presenting it in a very formatted manner is certainly something which every institution should look forward to. And you've done that for a particular institution. They must surely be very happy about it. So congratulations on achieving that feat. And I wish you all the best for all other future endeavors that you will be embarking upon. Thanks for joining us today here.
Thank you, sir.
By addressing specific challenges faced by industries, businesses, or communities, the winning project not only promises to revolutionize the way tasks are accomplished, but also showcases the potential of technology to bring about positive and transformative change. I'll take your leave for now, but with a promise to return with another winning team of Smart India Hackathon 2023. Keep watching.